Progressive development of contact waves. Of the 17 waves, the first normally occurs at life wave strength. The activity of the wave of increased strength begins at the second wave, which vibrates the life wave, and therefore is known as the vibration wave, Bhavanga calana. The third wave causes the actual deviation from the normal course of the life wave, and is described as the deviation wave, Bhavanga upaccheda. These three waves bring into prime activity a series of the following waves. The fourth wave, Avajjana, attraction wave. The fifth wave, Vinnana, consciousness wave. The sixth wave, Sampatichana, determination wave. The seventh wave, Santirana, decision wave. The eighth wave, Votthapana, contact wave. The fourth wave springs attracting the reflection, and this attraction wave, Avajjana, turns the mind in the direction of the object and opens its cover to receive the reflection of the presence of the projective polishes. At the fifth wave, the consciousness wave, Vinnana, the mind begins to be aware of the presence of the projective polishes. Then there follows the sixth wave, the wave of determination, Sampatichana, and the seventh wave, the wave of decision, Santirana. At the eighth wave, the wave of contact, Votthapana, the mind receives the reflection of the projective polishes present. That's all for today's session, but there's still so much more to uncover. Stay tuned for the next lecture as we continue exploring the profound Buddhist explanation of life and the universe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. See you next time.